how to get out of your own way. It's called imposter syndrome, and we as women have it a lot. We are constantly comparing ourselves to others, whether it is our girlfriends, other mothers, our own mother, you know, the whole thing. So I just want to encourage you to think of it this way. When you get down on yourself and you think, I can't do this, who am I to do this? I want you to flip that narrative, and I want you to say, if they can do it, I can do it. If Ashley can start a wreath business, you can start a wreath business. If you want to turn your business into a teaching model, if Ashley can do it, you can do it. Always think of it that way. If other people can be successful, so can you. Trust me, it's hard work. It takes determination and grit. It does not happen overnight, but if I can do it, you can do it. So go for it. Follow your dreams and do what you need to do to reach them. If you have any more questions, just leave me a comment and let me know.